repeat my word again. For Nigeria, yeah, it is very easy. Say, man, fit stand say that me they take care of my family. Yes, man can stand. Because at times some children they eat once a day. At times you go see people where they say that they treat away one man go say, "I mean they take care of my family." For if throughout 1 year, now only two pants. Now one picking go get. If now 5 children the man get, all issues of the children, they know you know see the one we get reach 3 pants, even though they want get knicker. You know see the one we get reach 3 shoe. Even though they want to even get more than 3 shoes, or they want to they get pants slippers. So there's a difference between if a man say, if people they say, now man they take care of a family. Yes, that is how the Bible say it. But a man that is able to, or that is capable of taking responsibility of his family, you will know that that man has a good job. You will know that that man has a good job. Now, let us come to abroad. Wait, make me say 50, not truth. 50, not be truth. Why I talk and say 50, not truth? Yes, there are some Nigerians who travel from their country, like me come from Edo State, from Nigeria, enter abroad. If to say I know, 99 where I enter abroad, I get time to take go school. But I don't go school, my learn work. I say, money, me go look for money, me go build house, me go look for money, me go look for money. School not important. But for example, you take time to go to school here in abroad. Not be the work where you go get money where you go to receive. It will be very different from somebody who not go school. That is truth of the matter. But we come that time. We dey rush for money. We can't make money. And money we need. When I burn, I beg you, I don't want to go to school. But today, we still get the feed. We never still make the money finish. We never even see the money. Somebody say true talk. God bless you, AJ Jonathan. We never even see the money finish. We still there here. But if to say we know, we for sacrifice 2 to 3 years to go school. As we don't enter that time, I just say, as I enter, so I dey go language school. Once I finish language school, I want to go learn work. At least today, work where you learn for abroad, any European country where you for stay, you learn work. Or you go school, you get degree, you get certificate. I'm telling you, the sky will be your limit. So somebody like that, now, if a man like that now they receive money, that is going to be a man who can proudly say, I will take care of my family. Is my family, they are my responsibility. Because man, when they talk about now, his salary low from 4K come down and from 4K go up. Like he get 3 children, he carry household, he get wife, the man will be capable to take care of his family. That one, I said yes, it happen like that. Then why I say no? Now, somebody now will come abroad, go school. Even they speak language. They speak the country language where they base. Now that way they hear. Now they book a work they do. And this man now get document. He can't get work. How much be the minimum salary where somebody will not go school they receive for Europe? Any European country may will remove UK. The rest European country will be 29. How much be the maximum salary? If it too much, it's 2,000. If you call the hem 2,500, now be say you you yourself know say you are almost here. Okay, that 2,005. My people, please, if you want to come up and help me to talk about this issue. We are just trying to understand ourselves. Now, if you call the 825 for the booking work, construction, or you work for airport, or you work for inside fabric, or on a night work, 25, then a man that is receiving 2,005 every month, now go just constancy, or one woman can just say, yes, now you're supposed to take care of your family. Or people, they talk and they go say, a man supposed to take care of a family. Yes, a man supposed to take care of a family is truth, according to the will of God. But for this abroad where we did so, man where they feed one is a man who has a good job. So how with 2,500 euro will take care of a wife, 3 children, or 4 children, or 2 children, or even 1 children. The man, the woman, they go get car, they go get house. So my people, may we explain that, may we talk come together. Because if you reach everywhere, you hear say, man will take responsibility. You reach everywhere, man will take responsibility. Yes, it's truth. I don't say this is not truth. It's truth, but how the man is going to take the responsibility. Because me, I had the money, I don't go put the money now for even 2005. Now I go put the money so. But there are still some European countries where they say, you know, they get 2005 salary.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. Obotaje. Lady Nancy.
Ipadomo wato.
Wow, we voice we wa kakabo. Voice.
Niwe la ve na niwe do to.
Voice je no give me ya ye na odowo.
Maya wa rosa we see.
Koyo. How is your musical career? We koye dey follow up.
You want follow up? Who promote it now? If you want business,
I play music. If you copyright, or page ma a page.
Imam me copyright.
But we can complain. My vegani media be anamo you like that.
Yes, so
we are a page maybe Facebook. Emi ma yani share. Emo fane jo mi meto be me. Facebook ya gu me gbina we. If all fane jo mi meto mo makini de show you Facebook me. Then emi ma be yani share. Go and look at my page today. The oldest page of social media I may have ever touch you. Me are line a quizaru 15 or me. A Facebook dragging and a dragging me down. But me haru done in anime where a me to be me nigga post him me uyevani. I must post my orphanage home. Okay, but you have a doggy who had to know when you say even again you have a share and then you have Facebook lily make me about even showing you. But look at the page today.
Yeah.
So any my sister, I may even see you, but even page of AJ Entertainment. Anytime had the Lily Mevani or Lily Mevas, any of your activities, I will also be sharing it. But at the end of the day, a connection by you but no Mara Mama, my dear. That's not the issue. Yeah.
You want that me or lady at the Vego, if you are ever not the lady,
yes.
A topic in Umuladia, you get take baby wa benaso. Very funny, oh, then me have money. Yes, a page of even long way, no, the ones that go. Oh my wow.
Why you know the Kakabo from Vito? Why you know the? Yeah, he talked to me yesterday. Yeah, he's a smart guy. I want to know the Kakabo. Koyo mama so ni matawe na rite we in my water here abi ni abdu we ni ata ni tare we na bi
no say ina wa la dupe now is that where ege na ni ma ije na me ma bere oku pa na la dia wo odafin opa o so o happy wa o wina yen wina odafin o take the
responsibility.
Oh, what? Because of the phone now, winner. What do you manage, Jamie? They man already UK. Or that for when I win.
Oh, Joe, weekend. It's where Baba. Oh, Joe, weekend. You go, mafia, you know.
Although I win a Jamie Jenna, or do I mean a rogue, or doctor, that winner of a benefit. The government pay shoes lag, yeah, pay help. Vogate. You understand the vena?
Okay, the Jamie mana.
The Jamie Okpana winner.
Odorame yeah, Vana winner.
Oh, Okpana
winner, okay?
Yeah, pay. Oh, when you do ladia, we were bad, you bog where the Funny winner, the Fino, or take the responsibility of water. Because a help in the government, he help or say, oh, no, that me winning.
Okay, but mama, they know. We're turning away forgetting. Turning depends. You know, we are living here.
Email.
We are give me 2005. If forget year pay.
Yes. Oh, now me 2005. Depends on what we're going to pay. O wa we na ga 1,300.
Okay.
Here you support. Here do who no money.
No.
Money wona won me na pay 1,000 money.
Okay.
2,500 because when Jamie they calculate how much RCC ayari right.
Yeah, they live. Even Arun herself, they are calculated.
They are calculated. Na the salary where you go wa we ha. Advocate almost to ya pay and shoes like go you must to ya deba we pay.
Percentage have a pay. No, Tana pay. Two of them will be paying at the same time.
Yes. Even shoes like the knee. You go near pay Kida Gate. We go near have you know the shoes like. You understand the vena? Who do I mean double salary the shoes like because who winner? You understand? Vogate depends of you no me. No me to calculate eh.
But we to be ana mare o ni o mare e we abia ni gbe leave it aro wa pa o.
Ogi me won me marry. You understand?
Who marry legally be webu.
Yeah, me ma believe we couple na aro wane stay together. Me dona rekokpa na believe it the same.
But mama, imani believe we webu wana e abia ni gbe amedo pe ani ero wani or the amedo no ero wani.
Yes, epa no we very oni. They are greedy.
Exactly.
Because if me jena ni marry January by 20 years in my order for here I live. Me man like separate now where Mohammed do already
yes.
Even no to a 50 euro, 100 euro, yes, why doing it? You understand the point?
Yes.
Me believe you want one now the same me dona rekokpa is they share everything the same. You understand? That's what I believe. Only now we are very aware of Bana. A government must support the Euro, the Germany, the UK area. You understand better speak of Paka where Manovic explain where other for when we now they don't care. The government is support of at that time. I don't know this time.
Only the Spain.
For now, when they may believe both home and abroad, sir. I give me a part of your Bokwahara. I give me a work no you want take care of a responsibility 100% because if they may believe you may go so over when I don't believe that man or may go so over because me beg where if we ya also if we so no may go so that you understand the point now a god for what pay you go what a be a more no Igo no ku no roaze is much than no go but for generation it may be where okuro no one lazy o ma ya dweki o winner. You understand? I don't 100% zero work your power with the responsibility, sir. Don't let people deceive you. They are lying.
But we honibu or vona lahia voe honibu veroni manik bianibu. Wa be so na Oje even tell me now by now yes now is the will from God. It also I tired of the Bible, but the women or day is ugly milk or twakba we do here mama or twakba yakba or gleting amu family ni here. But we are in Monaco Kovani. We have to go where the living is no or magba. Hello, Udario man. Oje or more waje pant or ribai umaso amia wujojo. Aga mi oya dewu omona jewu ewa abi de o wa be omo ne de ya gbese o ku vi bai ogo ya ku egbe slippers so now
gane de ni fi gane de me je Nigeria be Nigeria abame yo July me je Nigeria re you understand the na we are say Nigeria be na o ku ahama o mo pure water ju ho okehia o ku ogbo moji eke o hokemi ye no hokemi ni Ajigone on Erigone in your feet, a sort of no disguise. Waiting a okay, here pure water, or the flame winner, you may join your support. It may be a bag setting where because a generation imagine a may up back a setting in your setting your toe any of not that you but when my husband they take responsibility all water. So you Dimoto no what the thing you done here. Oh, where can you go to the point me the salary?
God bless you. Yes.
When can they be we are young, money corner, very measure. I can organize our woman. Yeah, tell la Gabaya, there you might offer 1,000 euro. Oh, okay, made the Muda one of the phone, then many won't give me.
God bless you.
Even in that papa, yeah, because very major, it might like why you son. If I want to go out, I go out. You understand? Donc, your back can already feel a billy whether you not make you emo say who do ghetto, who do more, who do better. Look, that one win now.
Okay, very well. Today, school want to have me 5,000 euro up. When you ask me, when I buy, okay, I don't get 2,000 and set you with me with Tana.
Opiano fio boja me na rora hu oro rescue.
Hemi atana, hemi ate watana. Enya bu Germany mi wa.
Ani opia e pa mo ani
Baba ola gbelega ne.
Wala.
Ani okono jola je we had the beg you my 100 this year. I know they work. Now my husband they do am. Who can get background? Who 3 years in order for high school. Order for high school. No e can that. You understand? If your husband is working, you are not working, you are not doing business, how do you going to make it? How do you going to take care of yourself? He was waiting to eat. He was so to buy cream. Because of your bakwakara. If we as a woman, if you are not working, be doing business, even though your husband have money, be doing something. Are you Nigeria vegana pay me one of your bakwakara?
Madam, bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tẹ̀lé nana ni wa mẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ wẹ̀wò tó tóbi conversation yẹn wà rí wa because yẹn máa like matter.
Inú kò fẹ́ ẹ̀pà ẹ̀gbọ́n mi wa bẹ̀ opinion rẹ̀ nọ.
Uye gbọ́yàwó example ba uye ramela agro uye gbọ́yàwó example ba una yẹ rọ̀vẹ́ ìwé yàwó example una yà uye Nigeria yàwó example what does that mean?
Yes.
Agiobo
in that time is that where Oko making a generational imagina. Oko and number 2, he got better no be marriage man. No me no ya satisfy.
We puna no me no ya I cook family here all logo.
Pay 1,500. Oko arena e mona bebe we bona very expensive Yeah, yekere man. Give say 18 years, maybe 18 years in or 19 years. Maybe if you 15 years. Let them eat. When you do the butter, when you do more, how for ya gualo?
Even no guy ya gualo.
Ya gualo,
Oh, we are ma. We no go na time now. We are ma. Mommy on the ramoku. E ga mo bome.
Kana.
E do kaniki. O do ramoku.
O wa de for that.
Because aruru me.
A marriage no kuna je here ezoji ro ama go a marriage no kuna de here we ma we basbo e si go moda ya no vada na genya do te secret e soro ni a break up because of ego e soro na break up where ego monariere ego ni some bo they break up. But if you are working, your husband is working, your husband is working, you are doing business, ego money ya gba oge mo.
Yes.
Ni maybe like if or market no go car boss stressing be or the phone like 4 hours because a woman has to have a body of a woman.
Yes.
You understand? By right, or market no go 10 hours no be how. But if any woman is doing it where a reason or well, because definitely women is put over the now. It's sort of where a reason of for pattern or so or now in all I solve any by right, we no heki no who and a 10 atana and me 3 hours and me 4 hours. Because all you do when we know what by of your money bed, we no get matter. Oh, live I, oh, walking wa. Osnuverio, Upiake do Ari, your boy, by the time of walk by 8 hours, wait 10 hours, all of all, one case a day.
If no say any 8 hours. It's so here we 8 hours in the hours in me now, but near me now you're putting your passport. Understanding, man? You know, hours in Magba, you cannot put in for passport.
Depends they can
They can only kill you.
Okay, just like when a Spain or when a France, understanding, man? Hours in Magba.
RSP, my brother. He only RSP. How?
RSP.
Oh, it's pay. It's pay. One guy 4 hours job the way me. I said, why you putting it? You putting 3 hours on.
In France, hours in Agba, 8 hours in Agba, hours we must talk about.
But it's pay. RSP video. RSP video.
No only shot.
RSP. But in France, man, don't want to read France. They program now. Calling you where bet in Spain. Although we make it Spain, but RSP video, I still know.
Yes, France, Magba, hours in Magba, where they putting.
If not see many
Except wait for money for me.
Muna double tap.
If not there many women now where young when 8 hours after 4 children or 3 children, Benaya Lobe.
Okay.
Yana when 8 hours you want it. A boy is sort of no ya boy a meeting. I'm not making a meet up.
Vincent, send me request, man. Bring you up, Vincent.
Oh, no, Nigeria every year. No, ya boss the bob in Nigeria.
Wait 10 hours of it all.
You understand? Because I think we have Bogwa. When you major now, or not be a webo, no more be in Nigeria. Having many property in Nigeria for me, in my country, money makes sense. If you have one before for your family, it's okay. The rest, if you can invest, and will then it went around good for me. You understand? If you go, after one of in Nigeria, why I bought 100? I want people to know me. All these things is a vanity. You understand the point right now? Even so, not be a level webo. A boy a key hotel, be why I went in Nigeria. Why I went Monubi a webo in Nigeria settled down.
At all.
All this thing, we need to put all this thing. We think. Well, we can only serve a web. You totally rewrite a web by yourself. Yes. You rewrite it. It's a lot of getting soon down here with ban. The Mona be a web bona. We're showing a party in Nigeria. A family only work one a family.
Kakabo, you tell young Kawasini.
Yeah, see me hotel. All this thing, investment in where me so young we have a hotel. Yeah, me.
I know.
Huh? Yeah, live the same, my brother. Where me we have a hotel. Yeah, in Nigeria we have to. Yeah, they don't live well. They don't live well. They can even just a pass by the web.
Cabo,
Wagmo, license,
but rock by a second year, sister. I bet me.
Send me request now. Send me request. I can't come up, sir. Oh, we can't
Yeah.
You must pass the exam. Mama, you are I'm a target. Yeah, we what do the banana. Thank you for the gift. Motabek you gonna wear or manori bo wakba never do or a duplex or a mansion or a 2 flat or a 3-bedroom flat or salobo the beji go no where they get go anyhow the be boy beto sa the beji go the be third one he can go to money where the remagba. We have in Nigeria where Mamo Gejo White if you wear or can wear him, Mamo Gejo White, Yotonia, mana, they were more way I believe one money. If
you're not a lappy. Yeah, no. Tana when you are in Nigeria, can part of Nigeria Nigeria no get as a be now. Or no give investment in who are or I say Nigeria get you lay here. But you want to manage invest ye can jema if work a school renya mi no ema.
Emi yo bi je mi obeg oni nu tana.
Is okay why Bogbo we passe. Do have a webo. How will you be here? One opportunity no I do one we do
big king. You know, anywhere or one at resort. I don't want to say Orienta because you know I one at resort in it. They can imagine man, lappy when I say lappy. Here, Ragmar say, we boy Nigeria live say, I know them. Over you set in so, Engineer Ragboya Matty said, I met you with Yagbon, Engineer
we will edit no day.
Matty Mujiala Webo, or Daffia, we are Daffia, Goya Matty Mujiala Webo, Engineer Sonoson or Ottawa. But Engineer Guya, he had the ticket here, you want ya, Jemity, I go Nigeria. Ije very oni do bo mule limoni ido bo wa ke mi mule limoni o wa na mi imeso ije awu o wa gba bu pope yan ro logo ma yan ri gbe yan ri mu ije yan o se problem ni ko yan because their mother or their father is not happy when ni aye we me ragmo imakweri e bae u ma wu onu megi wu no ya 2007 ye first ni ma bege be Europe we go we yes I am on a meeting
Adaze.
Yeah.
Eso ya amo me meeting. O le wo wa fun ku o Emile se we wa gbe o. Iju eragbo eragbo. We ma we na dem e lame 10,000 na be as slice o boy be ki.
Agwa.
Oh, no, bed no ku a. We ti e wa do guje be gogo. Iju be ti e gogo. Ewo ga iwu agwa le meeting here. Agwa do pesio. Na ya
Mona double tap for me abeg. Mona double tap.
Every year now we water we na I get it every day get joy but they don't learn.
Atu eta na we jeme were uri ugile enjoy. E mani buro na me we emeni wata o hia we o se mata o gilo na ta o se ugoba we jeme no ku ina kama ba o bele me na nutana o hia mani bun o de mani bun o
na we mani bun can like
oh yeah whether this king big waiting we are riba ona gbe na pa to to we wan na bangwege na Nigeria they call results o when agbon to to ba mani kali we Nigeria na te result o ze ni e mana wa otaye ke ni awa
to taye Nigeria ni
wo na dedicate one more to iwe regbe o tu wi si wa ke wana na we jina wa gabe dole yi kere ama wa ri ba
Amaro pani me vegerio. We madala webo. Ona we in Nigeria o ya settle down. Eri nene we Nigeria. Eri ya me business we Nigeria na ari Nigeria. My sister ya ki nene ya degberu le ade webo. Iya debe o ma no mo pa shoko ya keru le ade webo. Le ya krobonya ya. Because it's a lack of planning. Some people don't know how to plan. Some people don't know how to think. When you are thinking, don't do it like this. Tomorrow will be fail. Because a wise person don't think about today, think about tomorrow. That's why we call future. Okay, wow. This thing I want to do now. What about 5 years coming? Wow. What is the result? Wow. You understand the point now? Okay. Like me now, I have 4 children in abroad. You expect me to go and have mansion in Nigeria? Wow. Okay, that my children, me, I don't plan to take them home.
God bless you.
You understand? I don't plan to take them home.
Just testing today. Come to TikTok, please. Ajebo 123 blog. Join us on TikTok. God will bless you. YouTube. Thank you very much.
You understand? Like me now, imatic where you have you where you are total you are. Here where we know that no more like by Nigeria there webo. Osabo we say me na do biele webo.
Yes.
Webo na me I will give my children the thing that I need to give them. What I need to give them, give them a best school.
Education number 1.
Understand? You na school, na mona biele webo, then go to school. Iana just school ya when I everything. A future ya is bright.
If future yagi logo,
and a big win, you understand the point, Rena? It don't win it 10 hours the way I bought in Nigeria, in a hotel, one, that is not investment. If I have that money, I will open this store, when my children will come from school, they'll come and pick something from there. Tomorrow, something happen to you, your children will easily sell it or they have it.
yes.
You understand? You will see some fabric. You will see some fabric. It's for family. You will say, mi padre. That's my father, how old this stuff.
Yeah, mi abuela, yeah.
You understand, Vena? That is how to plan. You understand, Vena? Because if you're a Roma, behave like a Rome. Nigeria. Nigeria, try your best to bring that children.
No more money. No more money.
You understand, Vena? Who don't make it less in here? When the Sulema have a face, if you ever walk ahead, they are not living in Nigeria, they are living abroad.
Venutana.
Kaba.
Nigeria, you understand the point, Vena? When a mediocre class, where you want to go and invest in Nigeria, that is not a tonteria. You understand the point of it? That's why I don't reason with them. After we say, but you have a sense of what you're going, but yeah, the way I think is different than the way
a president in Mabu, a governor in Mabu. I'm a governor in Mabu. I'm a president in Mabu. I invest in over here.
You understand the point of it? You don't have opportunity to have you have a document to make invest in it. Who in Nigeria? Okay, I'm not my bag. We are your money in Nigeria. I walk away, go for Nina, walk down your where be the web.
Facebook, I did TikTok. Wanna join me for TikTok, my fans. Now TikTok, I did always now.
Would Nigeria, my sister? You know where man on a beer away air. You know where Nigeria are quick where you are way air. You know where you are rock bad there. Oh, Bebo no woman, you go. You know where are you one? Okay, can you wear no I am way? He wear a word though, and a beer. We wicked nearly boy do a move. But when you are living in Nigeria, relocated in Nigeria, how can you be seeing your children or your grandchildren? You know where Matia Loki Binedion. Look, it be not your house girl, Bijawa. You understand? When a house girl, a stew yak Bijawa, how can you go with that mentality where your children they are not there, your grandchildren are not there? Do we joke about no working your money? For that reason, a man will not be a money if walk at no reckon near Jerua begging waiting your last breath.
He have a son, men will go. He have a movie, I crepe, what if your mother said,
is it by what I'll get it? I know what we're away. A man is at the hospital. A man, yes, a titty, blasting. A man, such a where every month, every 3 months, I check up because of
Cabo.
Uga is a Nigeria domino when you are away. Away, Bemavera, I deal with Bena or Town logo, plan well. Even Yogina, plan well. Since a man will not be, make sure you plan your old date year. And at the Mayala, we born up on the Memio relocate area, what they be relocated at Dewable. Or they be at Dewable. A man way old days when I where you are. You know what's why?
Elri, Bama, where we now say Kinevuna. Do I know what we do a day? Why, I thought they saw that man on move. This security of my day, anyway, I rent a soldier. I bought that what I allow. Anyway, I rent a soldier. Anyway, I pay it was gay. A man work by everybody king.
To skip afternoon.
What I lady Nancy, my way with you know, big king is not against us. What you might understand is enter against him.
Elri.
The guy is not against us.
Better no better. I said that on where do see big things.
A big king is a smart person, oh. The guy's a smart person.
Yeah.
Please, if you want to come up, send me request. Anybody send me request on TikTok.
Other way ajebo, better no better see. We hear me go. Understand me?
But when Daniel commenting na Tracy like, how she go come back when she dey sick? Some people they don't think.
Big king in Adukuneo, big king in Reneo.
What orave?
Even so, human about diabetes here.
Big king, you are welcome.
On air, who are using Nigeria and never fail you. What fail you are Nigeria no for enough for.
Guys, please. 77 is watching. Please share the live. Share the live. I'm double tap. Double tap, guys, please. Wanna share the live? We are saying reality here, please.
Abe muna share muna power tap. Abe na reality with the top. Big king, I see you. Abe talk to us. We dey hear you, big king. We dey hear you, big king.
I get my uncles. Okay. Before I come Europe, grandfather, my uncles, all of them, they live in America. So when I come Europe, I see the system of the way they do their thing. All my uncles, no one invest for Nigeria. All of them invest for US, they invest there. So when I come here, because I see the future when those people create for that people they invest there.
Plus, big king, I have to tell you the truth. It's like your line is not clear. We are not hearing you, please. Abi? We are not hearing you clearly, brother. I have to tell you the truth. Your line is not clear. What do you think? Should I take you out and bring you in again? Hello? Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
You can hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now.
We can hear you now.
Okay. Like for me, I'm 32 now. I'm 32. Before I came to Europe, my grandfather, my uncles, majority of them live in America. So when I was growing up, I was asking my dad why they refused to come back home to invest on those. I was asking them. So one of my uncles, when he came to Nigeria, he told me that I should not make that mistake of going abroad and investing back home while my children live abroad.
Okay.
That eventually, tomorrow, if I get old, imagine having a child abroad, the child school abroad, married abroad, have his own children. For example, he's a male child. He's school abroad, married abroad, has his own children. Now you invest all your sweat in Nigeria. How are you going to convince that child to leave his wife and children to come and take off the investment you invest home? It's not possible.
It's not
that
possible,
same child,
brother.
that same child will not leave his wife and children to come and follow you home for your investment.
Yes.
That all his investment, he invested everything in America. That if you travel abroad, the one thing you have to do, you have to stay out of crime.
Yes.
That's one. You have to stay out of crime. That a white man will never come for you and say, you have stayed 30 years in this country, they want to deport you, they want to collect your passport, they want to... No. If you commit any crime, you're going for it.
Yes.
Stay out of crime.
Yes.
No matter how the years you stay abroad, a white man will not come for you because you invested 5 investments here, you have 5 houses here, they will be jealous of you and they want to grab everything from me because you have investment in our country, you are progressing. No,
They don't do
they
that.
will not do
Thank
that.
you.
They will not come for
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, my
Never.
brother. Yes.
You are right.
First thing, don't do crime.
Don't do crime.
Pursue your documents, establish yourself, go for your driving license, integrate, do any course you want to do.
Wow.
All the investment you have to do is invest everything you want to invest it in your children, in your
Yes.
children's future.
Yes.
Show them love. Be there with them, especially the male children. Be there with them. Show them love. Guide them, not show them about life. Your experience back home in Africa, everything. Use it to impact those children.
Wow.
Show them care. Love, especially their mother. Love their mother well. Let the children know you love their mother. You say when you work abroad, when you invest abroad, when you are home, someone that built 100 hotel, he said, like one of my uncle, he's in Nigeria right now. He has investment in America. He has worked all his life in America. He told me that if you invest abroad and you invest abroad, you work abroad, it must not be that big establishment abroad. A little business, which when you leave, your children is close to that business. They are capable of developing that business to a higher level where you left it for them.
Yeah.
They will be happy that my father is back home. He has some property here. So they will put it as a priority to themselves that this thing my father has labored for in this country, we the children will not allow it to go down. We have to maintain it for Papa.
Yes.
At least when Papa is in Nigeria, we take small money and give to him. His pension is okay. Like my uncle now, his social security, like his kind of pension, is $5,000. His investment in US gave him at least $9,000 every month. He said, when I called him last, he said, when we spoke last, he told me, he said, the things I was telling you back then, you see, I'm enjoying it now. I didn't invest in Nigeria. I don't have, apart from he only has one duplex. You know,
That's
two
all.
houses.
That's all.
One
It's
in
okay.
Lagos, one in Lagos, one duplex in Benin.
Wow.
He told me, he said he told me that now
Hey,
he does.
brother.
He said most of his friends that have investment, has hotel, has a guest house, has a filling station, is living more better life than them that invest in Nigeria. He told me, I'm asking him why. He said his social security is $5,000. Then his investment gave him $9,000 every month. He live in Nigeria. He said, now I'm old. He's almost 68. Okay, someone in 68 years, convert $5,000 plus $9,000 to Naira. He can't finish it in a month. He can't finish. He does not stress himself, calling manager, how is the business going, stressing himself, this worker does not come to work. He's just in his house. He has everything, a swimming pool there, a gym, cinema, he has everything in his compound. He has 2 big Jeep. Later, everything. He can travel to Dubai, do vacation, everything. His first one is a footballer in America. He said it took him almost $30,000 to promote his son for football in the US. He said if you have some people, they will take that money to invest back in Nigeria and all those stuff. So, like for me, when I came here, I was trying to tell some of my friends the same thing. But there was something when I'm saying it, they will just take me like a fool. So since then, I stopped telling them the advice and all that. I have a friend. If that boy cook a goosey soup, if that boy cook stew, the red or the oil me dey up, he go the red, he go fit a ram, keep on, they cook a goosey soup. I get friend me be say, don't tell me say, make us.
I conquer that money show. Well, brother,
You see,
I conquer that money
hungry, so
show.
I see not go work today, no, you eat afternoon food. Because that one I go see rich, they save, they do some kind of thing for Nigeria. I say, for your own stomach, and say you self, you feel see they be hungry now, so that if you quit, they meet up. Now say, I know they do those stuff.
Can you imagine?
Say,
Thank you for your stomach.
For me, my best advice, like for me now, I'm 32. God have done with God have tried for me. I only my parents my dad, my mom, they don't have the house, but I was able to give them one. That's okay. Now I'm focusing on my life, trying to get my driver license, trying to buy a house.
Imagine. You are here, brother.
If God give me a good wife that I build with her, then we'll see what the future may be. That's for me, because having children
You are very smart, big king, man. You are very, very smart.
God will do it for you. God will do it for
having
you.
children, having a child.
in your mind.
Please, get us smart because he have an advisor.
Yes.
Advisor is different than person that don't say, like me, I have an advisor. I think well because when I came to Europe, Nina Dalawebo, I live with white man for years before I married my husband.
Yeah.
I have that mentality from white people. My character, what I'm exhibiting, do everything is from white person that I live with for years.
Okay.
Decades I lived with that man before I married. You understand? I think that the way he teach me something, don't do this. Do this because of tomorrow. Don't do this. That area, to live your life, no can have a problem. Live the area now. Do you understand? I wish you know like when I want the black, life a mess up. You understand? Because me I black now, the way I think, the way I talk, it's different than the way they talk and the way they think. You understand? Because why? Because I have somebody that coached me right from day one. You understand the point of it? That's the reason boy now a big king where I'm a coach. It's learn. You understand? Experience of one way, no matter me, okay.
But Mama, there are a lot of people that have coach. They will not listen and they will not take it. That is why it's also
not the same. They have their own. Give me this thing we here no better na koko wo ma dia walk yore omuna koko wo mo nera bi je koko dia no the same.
Yes.
Or different than monera bi je koko.
That's
true.
O se o ma wana sikemena ebi kero wa ta ye gbo ma no ye kenu keri ye background we okay. Akoko mana wa makoko na mona wa biele era bi je wa dafiowe eyi o mona koko no to boy do miama o rie mi na tawoe emi no ma be ta o ya we mi era reva ijereva yokavie yokekevie yokavuma or different where I coach the social media o je me so na like some people they have mother or they agwa le go mother here agwa le go father here no me bo kun ya here wo gwa lo here
Agbófingbò kwa beki. Ogbe yen kwa.
o da me e pa me no
Akobe ya wa agbófingbò kwa si je baje.
I ask question. Wait. Today I have opportunity me yo to I ask you the friend no water na. E pa me no water na. When we je na, o me je ijo iragbo me hu je meje. U ya me jove. What do you want? On your family, no way. Okay, your mother is not okay for you. Okay, what another mother going to do for you?
Yeah, you also right. But was a god mother name. Una do boy meji bagbon. O me dotie o awe ojeji. We understand me now. I don't know if not that we maybe teach where maseti we me no heke no una need the godmother ni owe gasi o ma bayin o ma arun pesa yin o de no egbe mi very over he ga ro we okwo na iwa be bege okpo ma no iho no ga ije me imagine no bia me be ko wa iho ni ja sije oni e gasi o ma bayin o ma orun bayin o ma ayin bagbon. Okay. Do you know
that in Bible, if you are a Christian, anybody that you call your mother, your father, he have another authority, spiritual to do anything against you. both physical and spiritual. It can do you anything, it can cause you, can bless you. Also, a Bible where call no man father, accept either no beer, either no ekete. You understand? For you to say, I have a mother, even that bad Zijove. If I can make you my best friend. Where you be my mother. You understand me now? So you have a godmother or in a jogopo or in a party. That is not called for. That's we may that way.
You are better, you are giving out your opinion, yeah.
Yeah, if you are a Christian, or we're not going to Christian, to call another mother your mother is spiritual. Also, many people now we're born in many godmother, not a godmother, they have a problem with the goddaughter. That little son, somebody be a so a problem in November. What's here because pack up? I don't want to be your godmother again. It will lead to a big problem.
Problem, yes.
Okay, for that reason, why are you going for what you know that you cannot finish?
Yes,
that's true.
Like me, any more than because here when Nikki will need Germany.
Mama, why you continue? You went to the now, what tie by no matter Uri Hasanali Leme whereby or where there are things you cannot tell her because of her age. That is the reason people choose godmother. Now
okay, Mommy Tracy.
Yes.
If there is anything in real life now, no matter time is you. Did you know that one way I say godmother no tell any money? That woman can use that thing against you tomorrow, but your mother cannot use anything against you.
Still.
You and your mother can quarrel. Babana, what is settled. But you and your godmother on a problem. You know that tomorrow it can get down with you. And when woman go time is winning, that woman can use it against you. What opinion you know that I ask
you are giving. Repeat my word again. For Nigeria, it is very easy. Say, man, if stand say that I they take care of my family. Yes, man can stand. Because at times some children they eat once a day. At times you go see people where they say that they trade away one man go say, I they take care of my family. For if throughout 1 year, now only 2 pants, now one picking go get. If now 5 children the man get, all issues of the children, you don't see the one we get reach 3 pants, even though the one get knicker. You don't see the one we get reach 3 shoe. Even though the one can't even get more than 3 shoe, or the one can't get pants slippers. So there's a difference between if a man say, if people they say, now man they take care of a family. Yes, that is how the Bible say it. But a man that is able to, or that is capable of taking responsibility of his family, you will know that that man has a good job. You will know that that man has a good job. Now, let us come to abroad. Wait, make me say 50, not truth. 50, not be truth. Why I talk and say 50, not truth? Yes, there are some Nigerians who travel from their country. Like me come from Edo State, from Nigeria, enter abroad. If to say I know, 99 where I enter abroad, I get time to take go school. But I don't go school, my learn work. I say, money, me go look for money, me go build house, me go look for money, me go look for money. School not important. But for example, you take time to go to school here in abroad. Not be the work where you go get money where you go to receive. It will be very different from somebody who not go school. That is truth of the matter. But we come that time. We dey rush for money. We can't make money. And money we need. I beg you, I don't want to go to school. But today, we still get the feed. We never still make the money finish. We never even see the money. Somebody say true talk. God bless you, AJ Jonathan. We never even see the money finish. We still there here. But if to say we know, we for sacrifice 2 to 3 years to go school. As we don't enter that time, I just say, as I enter, so I dey go language school. Once I finish language school, I want to go learn work. At least today, work where you learn for abroad, any European country where you for stay, you learn work. or you go school, you get degree, you get certificate. I'm telling you, the sky will be your limit. So somebody like that, now, if a man like that now they receive money, that is going to be a man who can proudly say, I will take care of my family. Is my family, they are my responsibility. Because man, when they talk about now, his salary low from 4K come down and from 4K go up. Like he get 3 children, he carry household, he get wife, the man will be capable to take care of his family. That one, I said yes, it happen like that. Then why I say no? Now, somebody now will come abroad, go school. Even they speak language. They speak the country language where they base. Now that way they hear. Now they book a work they do. And this man now get document. You can't get work. How much be the minimum salary where somebody will not go school they receive for European? Any European country may will remove UK. The rest European country will be 29. Will be 29. How much be the maximum salary? If it too much is 2,000. If you call the hand 2,500, now be say you you yourself know say you are almost here. Okay, that 2,005. My people, please, if you want to come up and help me to talk about this issue. We are just trying to understand ourselves. Now, if you call the 825 for the book a work construction, or you work for airport, or you work for inside fabric, or on a night work, 25, then a man that is receiving 2,005 every month, now go just constancy, or one woman can just say, yes, now you're supposed to take care of your family. Or people they talk and they go say, a man supposed to take care of a family. Yes, a man supposed to take care of a family is truth, according to the will of God. But for this abroad where we did so, man where they feed one is a man who has a good job. So how with 2,500 euro, we take care of a wife, 3 children, or that 4 children, or that 2 children, or that even 1 children, the man, the woman, they go get car, they go get house. So my people, may we explain that, may we talk come together. Because if you reach everywhere, you hear say, man will take responsibility. You reach everywhere, man will take responsibility. Yes, it's truth. I don't say there's no truth. It's truth, but how the man is going to take the responsibility. Because me, I had the money, I don't go put the money now for even 2,005. Now I go put the money so. But there are still some European countries where they say, they get 2,500 salary.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam. Obotaje. Lady Nancy.
Ipadomo wato.
Wow, we voice we wa kakabon.
Niwe la ve na niwe do to.
We say you no give me ya na odowo.
Maya waro sa we see.
Koyo. How is your musical career? We ko you dey follow up.
You are follow up who promote even now. If you want business.
I play music with the copyright or igbe page ma a page
copyright.
But we can complain my any video media be anamo you like that.
Yes, so
we are a page maybe Facebook. Emi ma ya ni share. Emo fane jo mi meto bi me e Facebook ya gu me gbina we. If our family job me to more marketing that they are showing you Facebook, then a me mabe yani share. One look at my page today. The oldest page on social media, I may have a talk show. Me are line a quiz 15 or me. A Facebook dragging and a dragging me down. But me haru done in anime where a me to be me nigga post him in me uyevani. I must post my orphanage home. Okay, but you have a doggy who don't know where me say even again you have a share and then you have Facebook little make me about even showing you. But look at the page today.
Yeah.
So any my sister, I may even see you but even page away. AJ Entertainment anytime had the Lily Mevani or Lily Meva so any of your activities. I will also be sharing it, but at the end of the day, a connection by you but no mara mama, my dear. That's not the issue. So, yeah.
Iwadami ho we nedi adevego ibi areva na no de o nedi ibi areva.
Yes.
A topic in Umuladia, you get a baby of an asso. Very funny, oh, then me have money. Yes, a page of a love, not the ones that go. Oh, my wow.
Why you know the Kakabo from Vito? Why you know the? Yeah, he told me yesterday. Yeah, he's a smart guy. Oh, I go know the Kakabo. Koyo mama so ni matawe na rite we ima wa ata here abi ni o ni ata ni tare be na na bi
no say ina wa la dupe now is that where ege na ni ma ije na me ma bere oku pa na la dia wo oda fiyan pa o so o happy wa o wina yen wina oda fiyan o take the
responsibility.
Oh, water because of the phone now winner. What do manire Jemmy? They manore UK. Or that for when I winner.
Oh, Joe will wake it were Baba. Oh, Joe will wake it. Yeah, go mafia you know.
Although I win Jemmy Jenna. Although I mean, I don't want. Although that now winner of a benefit. The government pay shoes lag, pay help. Vogate. You understand the vena?
Okay, the Germany mana.
The Germany go kwapana wina.
Odoame ya vana wina.
Okpana wina wo.
Okpana wina, okay?
Yeah, pay. Okoni na do ladia wo webu bando yo bogbe wewe oda fun yen wina oda fin o take the responsibility of wa water. Because a help in the government help or say go no da fin yen mi wina ni.
Okay, but mama, they know. No, we're turning away for getting turning. Depends. You know, we are living here.
Email.
We are give me 2005. If you get a pay.
Yes. Oh, now me 2005. Depends of we going to pay. Oh, when I got 1,300.
Okay.
Yeah, you support. Yeah, do who no money. No. Money one I million. Pay 1,000 money. Okay. 2,500. Because when Jamie they calculate how much I want to see a yard right.
Yard live. If one way has said, they are calculated.
They are calculated. A salary where you go away. A vote almost to your pay and shoes like God must to your deba pay.
Percentage have a pay. No, Tana you happy. Two of them will be paid at the same time.
Yes. Even shoes like the knee. You go near pay Kida Gate. We go near a shoes lag. You understand the vena? Who do I mean double salary the shoes lag because who win now? You understand? Vote gate depends of you no me do calculate
But we to be an amaro honey or mare we are being live it a row walk bow.
Oh, give me the mayor, give me marry. You understand?
Who marry legally the whip.
Yeah, they might believe you where couple na stay together. I believe it's the same.
But Imani Mama, Imani believe the whip one, here be any way. Amedo Piani Erowani or the Amedino Urowani or Slovenia.
Yes, Emano Wevedioni. They are greedy.
Exactly, or Slovenia.
Because if the men Lenia marry, January by 20 years, in my order for where I live. Me man like separate now where Mohamed
Yes.
Even to a 50 euro, 100 euro, yes, why doing it? You understand the point?
Yes.
Me believe you what one now the same Medona Rekokpa is they share everything the same. You understand? That's what I believe. Only now we are very aware. Okbana winner. A government must support the Euro, the Germany, the UK, area. You understand? Better speak of Paka, where Manove speak where other for when we now they don't care. The government is support of at that time. I don't know this time.
Only they Spain.
Only they Spain. For now, when they may believe bomb home and abroad, sir. I give me a part of your Bakwahara. I give me no you want take care of a responsibility 100% because if they may believe you, may believe you, you go so over again. When you may I not believe that man or me go so over now because me beg where if we ya also. If we so no me go so dafon. You understand the point now? E gbọ́dọ̀ fún wa pay go wa. E bi e mo ari no na mo awon na. E go no ku no ro as.
I don't listen to Epaje, but guys, make una beg me subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop your opinion for the comment section. Thank you.